Welcome students to the next lecture of video lecture of business finance second. Here we will again move forward with our previous lecture topic, that was credit rating. We have seen what is credit rating, what is its significance, importance, as well as what is the scope of credit rating for companies. Now we will move to the different credit rating agencies in India. The very first and most popular credit rating agency in India is CRISIL. From MCQ point of view, all the examples of these credit rating agencies which we are going to discuss in these video lectures are important. So kindly be careful and listen sharply. So what is CRISIL? CRISIL is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. This is the first credit rating agency which was set up in India in the year 1987. From there to now, in this journey of long 33 years, it has become a global credit rating agencies. Today, CRISIL has become a global analytical company which rates companies, research the market, provide risk and policy advisory services to its clients. At the time of incorporation, this agency was promoted by ICICI Limited, UTI, and many such financial institutions. The headquarters of CRISIL is located in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. The agency starts its operation in the year 1988. From this 1987 setup, 1988 operational setup to 2021, it has gained a lot of popularity and it has had increased its customer base or client base to a very vast network. It provides not only the services to nation but to the global clients also. Then the majority of stakeholder of CRISIL is Standard and Poor's, which is again an credit rating agency. One which is credit rating agency of US. It is the biggest credit rating agencies of the world. Standard and Poor's, Moody's and Fitch are the globally known reputed credit rating agencies. Standard and Poor is one of the biggest credit rating agency in the world, which has been majority stakeholder in the CRISIL. Then what the CRISIL does, it evaluates the credit worthiness of the companies based upon their strength, market share, market reputation, and the board composition. All these are the factors which it takes into consideration while making evaluation of the credit worthiness of any company. Along with this, CRISIL also rates companies, banks, organizations, which helps investors to make better decisions before investing in the shares, bonds, or any other securities of that particular company, either into the capital market or into the financial market. This is what the CRISIL is about. Established in 1987, operational in 1988, get headquartered in Mumbai. First credit rating agency in India, now has a global presence. Now moving to the second credit rating agencies, that is ICRA. ICRA is an altered or reframed name. Originally, it was named as Investment Information and Credit Rating Agencies, which was set up after this successful establishment of the CRISIL. The ICRA was set up in the year 1991. So, ICRA refers to Investment Information, refers to I, and CRA refers to Credit Rating Agency. It is again a joint venture of Moody's, that is again an international credit rating agency, and the Indian Financial and Banking Service Organization. Both came into a joint venture for the purpose of formation of the ICRA in India in the year 1991. Later on, it was renamed as ICRA Limited, and it is also listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, that is BSE and NSE, in April 2007. It is headquartered in Gurugram, Haryana. The headquarters of the ICRA is in the Haryana, that is Gurugram. ICRA assigns corporate governance rating, performance rating, grading. Along with this, it provides ranking to mutual fund companies, hospitals, construction and real estate companies. All these are the client base of the ICRA. Along with providing grading and rating, it provides ranks to mutual fund companies, that are fund houses, then hospitals, construction and real estate companies who are in need of credit rating. It offers comprehensive rating to the corporates via a transparent rating system. Its rating includes symbol which vary with financial instrument. For example, for X financial instrument, its symbol would be A. For Y financial instrument, its symbol can be X. So it depends upon the instrument which the rating ICRA has to rate. The symbols alter with the instruments. Whereas it has a variety of financial instruments for the purpose of rating to it. Huge client base has helped them to have the rating for the different types of businesses, companies in the credit rating business. Now moving to the third and the last one for this video lecture, the CARE, that is Credit Analysis and Research Limited. It was established in the year 1993 after the successful establishment of CRISIL and ICRA, and since then it has gone on to become India's second largest credit rating agency after CRISIL. The popularity of CARE is more than that of ICRA, though it was established in the year 1993, that is after the establishment of the ICRA. It was promoted by the IDBI, that is Industrial Development Bank of India, then UTI, Unit Trust of India, Canara Bank and other financial institutions. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, whereas its regional offices are in New Delhi, Chennai, Calcutta, Bangalore, Ahmedabad and Hyderabad. Its primary function is to provide rating to debt instrument, credit rating, credit analysis rating, loan rating, corporate governance rating, claims paying ability of the insurance companies, etc. All these are the varieties of the rating which CARE provides to its clients. It also grades or rates construction entities, that is real estate companies, and courses undertaken by maritime training institutes. From various training institutes, they also give credit rating to these training institutes. Then ratings provided by CARE includes financial institutions, state governments, municipal bodies, public utilities and special purpose vehicles also. So all these things are being rated by the CARE. In this video lecture, what we have seen about CRISIL, which was the first credit rating agency of India, which was chief promoter was Standard and Poor's along with UTI, established in 1987, headquartered in Mumbai, one of the biggest credit rating in the credit rating agency in the India. That was the first one. Second one, we have seen about ICRA, which was established in the year 1991, which was again promoted by Moody's and the financial institution of India, various financial institutions of India. Then we have seen the third credit rating agency, which was the CARE, which was again established in the 1993 after the successful establishment and operational of the prior to this rating agency became the second most popular rating agency in India, that is after CRISIL. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, whereas it has various regional offices in all the metropolitan cities in India, that is Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Ahmedabad. All these cities has its its regional offices. This is it for this lecture. From the very next video lecture, we will start with the last part of our third unit, that would be related with the dividend policies, in which we will see the theoretical background in the first lecture, in the next lecture, and from in the next consecutive lecture we will start with the numerical problems related with the dividend policies. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.